Fixed password must contain at least 8 characters long with one uppercase, with one lowercase and one numbers. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. Without any delay, let's get started. This kind of issue generally arrives when you type to create a password, either when you are creating an account in your Gmail or any other accounts over here. Now, to fix this, what it generally means is you can just show over here. So I'm going to show you on notes that what does it mean. So you have to have a capital letter or an uppercase letter. So one must have an uppercase letter over here. So if you want to add your password as Pauline over here on your Gmail account, for that matter, if you're creating a new account, then how you can create account or the password over here, you just have to mention a uppercase letter over here. So I'm going to mention the uppercase to be the capital P, and then have a lowercase number, which is the normal letter as well, and then you have to add one number as well. So I'm going to add number 2, and you can also add different characters to your passwords over here by adding @ or you can add any of these other elements as well. So I'm going to add this one and it will be done. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.